I'm going to show you how you can create a Power Apps theme in less than 3 minutes. First, head over to the app on Start Property and assign a variable to a color value. Then select any of the elements you want to change the color of and select the fill property and assign that variable to the formula. In this case, I've used the color fade to give me variations of that color. Then you can add your toggle control and change the property for the on check to set that variable to a different color value. In this case, I've used a blue for the uncheck and a red for the check. As mentioned before, you can change the color fade of different elements on your Canvas app to change the different color of shade that you'd like to use. For this case, for this box here, I've set the fill to a color fade using the VAR primary blue, which I set, and using 50%. Don't forget to follow for more Power Apps tips.